Hi everyone, my name is Olufemi Victor, and I'm glad to present our work on automatic speech recognition for Nigerian-Accented English, which was accepted at DLI 2023, the fifth Deep Learning Indaba Conference. This research was done by Oroluwa Boluwatife Babatunde, Emmanuel O. Akeweje, Sharon Ibeji, myself, Victor Olufemi Tolulope, and Shakinat Oluwabukola Folorunjo. ESR systems, of course, have become widely used in our daily lives, and we've seen how it has powered voice assistants and transcription services and many other use cases as well. But however, we've seen that these systems often overlook a diverse range of accents from African accented English and particularly Nigerian accented English. And in building ASR systems, such variations are often overlooked, especially in development and training of these ASR systems, which then result in biased and suboptimal performance in these systems. So the goal of our project is to develop an end-to-end ASR system specifically tailored to Nigerian accented English. So four related works that have been done before uh, on ASR, specifically in Nigerian accented English. We've seen the EDUST, which is the EDUSTT, which was built to transcribe English educational audio. In that experiment, a total voice data was collected for the research, which consists of 20 samples for the cumulative 8 hours. And the researchers conducted the experiment by fine-tuning a NEMO QuastNet 15 by 15 English model using the educational data resource, which had Nigerian English accents. And of course, we've also seen prior research on adapting ASR portrait models for low resource clinical speech data, which used the epistemic uncertainty based data selection. In our methodology, we combined two data sets. One is the Google Nigerian speech data, and the other is the SautiDB's Nigerian English data. The combination of these two data sets resulted in a total of 4,278 audio files. And of course, in terms of diversity, the Google Nigerian dataset comprises of male and female speakers, and the SautiDB dataset comprises of diverse tribal English accents across Nigeria. First, we downsampled all the audio signals to a frequency of 16 kilohertz using the Librosa library. Then we converted the transcript to lower sentence cases. We removed all punctuations except the apostrophe, which give meanings to words. And of course, the data was then shuffled and split into a 70, 29, and 1% ratio for the train, validation, and test respectively. Moving on to the ASR model deployment, we compared two models. First, the NVIDIA NEMO QuastNet 15 by 15 and Facebook Wave2Vec 2 pre-trained model. On evaluation of the models, our results showed that the QuastNet 15 by 15 had a training word error rate of 28% and the Wave2Vec 2 a training word error rate of 19.7%. While they both had the same validation word error rate, our results showed that the Wave2Vec 2 had a higher test word error rate of 14.9% as compared to the NEMO QuastNet 15 by 15, which had an 8.2% on the test set. So we then compared these models with the Google Speech Recognition API and evaluating it on our test data. And our results showed a word error rate of 44.2%, which of course is a subpar performance as compared to both fine-tuned models. In our results, we also presented a qualitative comparison of the ASR pre-trained models as well as the Google Speech Recognition API, which we tested on, and we saw how the Google Speech Recognition API struggled to accurately predict the actual test as compared to the fine-tuned models, which did much better in predicting the words. So to conclude, we've provided insights into the training and inference process, highlighting the results and observation made, and we hope that by developing robust and accurate ASR systems that encompass diverse English accents, we can, create a more equitable and accessible technological landscape that respects and embraces linguistic diversity. We hope that this work advances NLP research and technology, particularly in recognizing poorly represented English accents, and serves as a reference for future ASR researches in the context of English accents. Thank you and goodbye.